Hello people, today I'm gonna shoot myself out of a cannon. See? Oh, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blood! No! Mario, are you okay? Oh, I almost got ace in my brownie. Oh, I don't think I can move. I'm gonna try something else. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, I'm tired. Ah! It's brownie attack. Oh, scary. Oh, let's go over there. Whoa! Hey, back on land. Oh, the wind is too strong. Wow, that's probably why I went all the way here. You stupid cannon! Hey, look! This is catapult. I wonder what's a catapult. I think I heard that one before. Oh, see, I fell in. Hey, I think I'm supposed to go here. Hey, look, a lot. Oh my god, there. Mario, are you okay? I don't think I feel so good. Almighty chosen one, will you be able to help me? Can you, magic feet? Why'd you throw a rock at me? You suck. Oops. Oh, you missed me. Oh my god, I gotta see you guys later.